Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account used to subscribe. This ensures you see the recurring charge. Once signed in, open Google Pay on your phone or go to Pay. Google.com on desktop because the subscription management lives there. Make sure to tap or click Subscriptions and Services to load active subscriptions. You may need to expand menus or refresh the page. This first step locates the Kuku TV entry so you can take action immediately. Once the subscriptions list appears, scan for Kuku TV. You need to confirm the exact name to avoid canceling the wrong service. After you locate it, tap Details to reveal billing cycle, next charge date, and payment method. This explains the timing of refunds or proration. Then choose Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription because that entry controls the recurring authorization. Follow prompts to confirm cancellation. Make sure to read any confirmation text about access ending or prorated refunds before you finish by confirming the cancellation and saving the on-screen confirmation or email. That proof matters if charges continue. If you don't see a cancel option, check Google Play subscriptions separately or open Kuku TV account settings. The merchant may handle cancellations. Contact Google Pay support only if needed. Finally, monitor your bank for any residual charge, and if problems persist, revoke the payment method in Google Pay and dispute persistent charges through your bank to stop further billing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.